There is a new museum opening in Gettysburg focused on military and firearms history. The Lomas Center Museum has more than 200 years of firearms history on display, including the very first rifled cannon accepted into the U.S. military, documented to have been at the Battle of Gettysburg in 1863. Most of the display is from the private collection of George Lomas, who'd passed away 5 years ago.
We encourage everybody that hasn't come to see us to do so. You have a great opportunity to learn about American history through its firearms and its material culture, the things that were left behind. So we hope to see everybody here.
Pretty interesting. And the museum is open Thursdays through Sundays from 11 to 6 and by appointment. They're going to have a dedication ceremony on Remembrance Day.